A number of Galaxy S10 owners have recently complained about camera problems following an Android 12 update. The issues vary, from camera app crashing and frequently to images being blurry. While we believe that some of these reports may have nothing to do with Android 12 update at all, some may be valid. In this video, we'll show you how to resolve your particular camera problem. We provide the basic and general solutions often employed to fix Android camera issues. Your Galaxy S10 can benefit from a system restart even when it's not having a problem. In your current situation, it's even better if you reboot it, as the cause of the camera problem you're having may just be a minor bug. Sometimes minor app bugs may develop if a device is left running for a long time. This is why you want to regularly restart your device. We recommend that you reboot at least once every few days to prevent issues. Restarting your Galaxy S10 is easy. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key at the same time for 10 seconds or until the device's screen turns on. Camera issues, especially those that require immediate attention from Samsung, are usually fixed by an update. As there can be varying forms of camera problems in a Galaxy S10, the best thing that you can do in trying to fix your particular situation is by checking if there's any available update for the app. The first thing that you want to do is easy: force quit camera app. This is an effective way to fix certain types of app bugs. If forced closing and resetting camera app won't help, it's a good idea to continue troubleshooting the app by wiping its cache. Apps keep a certain set of temporary files in order to do tasks more efficiently. Sometimes, an app cache may become corrupted, causing the app to misbehave. This is a more drastic troubleshooting step than the previous two, and will revert camera app to its original factory state. This means that all camera configuration in this app will be erased. Installing a major software update like going from Android 11 to the 12th of May negatively impact the special cache called System Cache. This cache is used by Android to load apps quickly. Sometimes, this cache may become corrupted after an update, resulting to problems. If you have Galaxy S10 camera problems after an Android 12 update, you should check if the system cache is good shape. To do that, you need to clear the cache partition. It definitely won't hurt if you try to regularly check for app updates. In most carrier-branded phones, this task is usually automated as the Play Store is set to automatically download app updates. If you modify this Play Store behavior, you can check for app updates manually as well. Updating to a new Android version can sometimes leave some apps behind because not all developers are keen on updating their apps all the time. This can potentially lead to a situation where an app may become incompatible. To check if you have a broken app problem, you can restart the device to safe mode. In this mode, all third-party apps are blocked from running. They're all grayed out. If the camera works normally and there's no problem at all on safe mode, you can assume that a bad app is to blame. If camera problems persist on your Galaxy S10 after Android 12 update, you should consider wiping the device if none of the suggestions above has worked so far. Factory reset is a drastic solution, but can be an effective tool if the cause of the problem is software related. If your case is that the phone is not booting up or it boots but settings menu is inaccessible, this method can be helpful. First, you need to boot the device to recovery mode. Once you successfully access recovery, that's the time that you begin proper master reset procedure. It may take some tries for you before you can access recovery, so be patient and simply try again. That's it. We hope this video is helpful to you. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.